Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2010 Honda Shadow Phantom. 750 cc's of blacked out beautification. This bike is really in awesome shape. Low mileage, price to sell, $44.99, satin black. It's got the blacked out wheels, blacked out engine. Shaft drive, V-twin, liquid cooled, fuel injection. What more do you want? 25-inch seat height. Oh yeah, it's got a Gorilla alarm already installed. Brand new tires. Come by, make your cruiser dreams come true with this gorgeous Shadow for $44.99. We have financing, we have extended service contract. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.